Okay, we've got another unboxing, and this is from Gentleman's Knot again. I'll open it up. I don't need to see this. A nice little friendly note. And another sticker to join the other one. So here is the soap. The George 01, Potus number 1, cedarwood, tobacco and cherry. There it is there. Oh, it smells divine. Smell that, babe.
Mmm. Yummy.
Yep. Oh, that's so good. This is my favourite. Okay, so in here we have a pre-shave oil. So I've never used a pre-shave oil before, so it should be pretty interesting. I've seen online where some people think it works and other people don't think it works at all. So anyway, I'll soon find out. Put a scratch on there. Is aftershave serum or post-shave serum. I'm looking forward to giving that a go. See what it's like. But Gentleman's Knot, very good products. Artisan products for sure. Okay.